Welcome back to Beautyistic, the channel where we dive deep into the latest in beauty products and skincare essentials. Today, we'll be talking about the BIOSSANCE Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream. If you're looking for a rich, nourishing moisturizer with a focus on hydration and skin repair, this product might just be on your radar. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The BIOSSANCE Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream is designed to deeply hydrate and repair the skin. It comes in a 250 milliliter jar, making it a generous size for daily use. This cream features two key ingredients, squalane and omega fatty acids. Squalane is known for its hydrating properties, while omega fatty acids are celebrated for their ability to restore and strengthen the skin's natural barrier. This combination is aimed at providing antioxidant protection and helping to repair dry, damaged, or irritated skin. The product also contains hyaluronic acid, which is renowned for its moisture-locking abilities. Now, let's talk about how it performs in the real world. From the moment you apply it, you'll notice how thick and rich the cream feels. It's definitely on the heavier side, so it's ideal for dry skin or as a night cream for those with oily or combination skin. It absorbs well without leaving an overly greasy residue, which is something I really appreciate. In terms of hydration, it's impressive. My skin felt plump and nourished after use, and it looked visibly smoother. The texture also feels soothing, making it a great option after a long day or exposure to harsh weather. But, as with any product, there are a few things to note. While it's fantastic for dry skin, if you have oily or acne-prone skin, this might not be the best choice for your daily routine. It can be a bit too rich for some, and the scent, though mild, may not appeal to everyone. It's also not the most budget-friendly option, so it's worth considering if the price matches your needs. When comparing this product to similar ones in the market, BIOSSANCE stands out for its use of squalane, a high-quality ingredient that has become a skincare staple. However, you could find other moisturizing creams that offer similar results at a lower price point. For instance, products from brands like CeraVe or Neutrogena offer solid hydration but at a fraction of the cost. The key difference here is the formulation's focus on clean, sustainable ingredients, which may justify the higher price for eco-conscious consumers. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek, and the cream itself is rich and luxurious. The 250 milliliter jar feels substantial, and you're getting a generous amount, but the packaging could be more eco-friendly. It's not the most travel-friendly, especially if you're concerned about spillage. BIOSSANCE is generally known for having a solid reputation when it comes to customer support. While I didn't have to interact with them personally, the brand's transparency in ingredient sourcing and commitment to sustainability are worth noting. It's a brand that seems to stand behind its products, which can be reassuring for first-time buyers. Now, in terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something similar but more budget-friendly, the Vanicream Moisturizing Cream could be a solid option. It's hydrating, gentle, and a fraction of the cost, though it lacks some of the added benefits like omega fatty acids. So what's the final verdict? The BIOSSANCE Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream is a solid choice for those with dry or mature skin, especially if you're looking for a product that will deeply nourish and repair. It's packed with effective ingredients like squalane, omega fatty acids, and hyaluronic acid. However, if you have oily or sensitive skin, or if you're on a budget, you may want to consider other options. If this review helped, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that others interested in hydrating skincare can also find this video. And don't forget, the link to the product is in the comments box below, where I'd love to hear about your experience if you've tried it already. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to keep it beautiful with Beautyistic.